Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Wherever you're tuning in from around the globe, peace, blessings, financial freedom. Peace, blessings, financial freedom. Peace, blessings, financial freedom. Welcome to the Trillion Dollar Tickers broadcast. I'm your host, Matt Riches. It is April 21st, 2026. I'm running two shows every day. This is the pre-market brief, and we'll be back at the market open for live price action, momentum, and execution. Remember, I watch the markets, give the breaking news, and find the levels so you don't have to. It's Tuesday morning, and the interconnected palace is vibrating with news. Tim Cook is stepping down, passing the torch to John Ternus in September. Simultaneously, we just crushed retail expectations. 1.9% for core and 1.7% for the headline, proving the consumer is still standing tall. We got a massive earnings spread from UNH's strength to GE's volatility. All right, let's get into the mantra. I deserve to be healthy. I deserve to be happy. I deserve the wealth that I'm building for me and my family. Riches and freedom, they come to our hands. I'm the master of all I command. My learning is limitless. My earnings are too. The more I discover, the more I can do. The stock market is a machine of design, and I have the power to make that wealth mine. I am capable, I am skilled, I am bold. Blessings on the journey as the vision unfolds. All right. And if you hear that in the background, I've been cooking up some theme music for the song. So let me know what y'all think in the comments. And or you can hit me in a DM. Let me know what you think. All right, next we got Robert Greene's Daily Law for today. Title: Be merciless with your enemies. Daily Law: The remnants of an enemy can become active like those of a disease or fire. Hence, these should be exterminated completely. One should never ignore an enemy, knowing him to be weak. Your enemies wish you ill and are waiting for their moment. If your struggles stop halfway out of mercy or hope for reconciliation, you only make them more determined and better prepared for their revenge. You must crush them as totally as they would crush you. If you cannot banish them, at least understand that their friendliness is feigned and pay no heed to it. In long-term investing, mercy is a mistake of holding onto a zombie stock. The company that is feigning strength but is fundamentally dying. When GE beats earnings by 16% and the stock still drops 4.3%, the market is showing no mercy. You must judge your positions carefully. If a stock is showing weakness in its price action despite good news, it is an enemy to your portfolio. Exterminate these positions. Do not hope for a turnaround that isn't supported by institutional volume. Fulfilling your life's task means banishing the dead weight so your capital can work for you elsewhere. As far as active trading, active traders get slaughtered when they feel sorry for a losing trade and refuse to cut it. You must be merciless with your stops. A trade that has turned against you is an enemy that wants to erode your account. If you hold on to a losing position hoping for a reconciliation, you are just letting the disease spread to the rest of your account. Crush the trade early, take the small loss, and live to fight another day. As a trader, peace and security are only found when you stop arguing with the price and exile the bad ideas from your screen forever. All right. The Fear and Greed Index is currently at 71. We are in heavy greed right now. We do have a red folder at 7 a.m. Fed Chair Designate Walsh is testifying. All right, so stay patient, stay disciplined. Execution over emotion, process over prediction. Now let's get on these charts, y'all. All right, first up we got SPY, currently in the pre-market at 710.49 to the downside support. We got the pre-market low of 709.54, followed by 709 to 708.15. To the upside resistance, we got 711.35 and the pre-market high 712.30, and then we back at all-time highs. We are so close. Next, we got QQQ currently in the pre-market at 648.79 to the downside support. We got the pre-market low of 648.14, followed by 646.15, 644.10. To the upside resistance, all we got is an all-time high. We are so close. The VIX is at 1896. The VIX been going up for the last 30 minutes. Looks like it bounced on the gap. NVIDIA currently in the pre-market is at 202.45 to the downside support. We got 201.70 followed by the pre-market low of 201.61. Underneath that is $200.40. To the upside resistance, which is very close to the current price, we do have a weekly level here at 202.50, followed by 202.96, which is a pre-market high, and then 203.50, and then we get into the gap at 204. Next, we got Tesla currently in the pre-market at 394.70 to the downside support. Very close to our level right now is 394.65, followed by the pre-market low at 393.16, 392.80, 391.10. To the upside resistance, we got 396.57, which is very close to our hourly level at 396.65, and then 399.30. Next, we got Apple currently in the pre-market is at 271.31. To the downside support, we got a daily level here at 271. We are also inside the Smart Money Concepts resistance zone. That zone ends at the pre-market low, which is 270.78. If we do break that, I do got us coming to 270.11 and then 269.50 and 268.50. To the upside resistance, we got 271.80, 272.30, then the pre-market high 272.71, and then 273.65. All right, next we got Google currently in the pre-market at 337.85. That is the pre-market low. Underneath that, we do have the bottom of our Smart Money Concepts resistance zone. That's going to be 337.48, followed by 336.90, and then 336.55. To the upside resistance, we got 338, which is a weekly level, followed by 338.50, and then 339.15, which is a pre-market high. Next, we got Microsoft, currently in the pre-market at 419.07, which is at the pre-market low right now. Underneath that, we got 418.60, and then 417, and then 416.30. To the upside, we got the pre-market high of 420.50, followed by 421.03, 422.75, and then 423.30. All right. I think that's enough. That's what? 5 companies and plus SPY and QQQ. Yeah, that's enough. But man, what y'all think about this theme music? Let me know if it's too loud. I'm trying to figure out the right levels since I just made these. But that's it. We'll see y'all at the market open. Peace, blessings, financial freedom. Peace, blessings, financial freedom. Peace, blessings, financial freedom.